Log into iTax via itax.kra.go.ke. Enter your KRA PIN and password. Enter the answer to the security stamp and click on Login. Under the Return menu, click ITR for employment income only. Enter the return period from as 1st January 2023 and return period 2 will automatically pre-populate. Select yes to the question, do you have employment income? Then click Next. Under Section A, Part 1, Return Information, respond to questions related to you by selecting yes, especially if you have a mortgage, a life insurance policy, or any insurance policy that qualifies for relief. Click on Section A, labeled Details of Employment Income, and confirm if the details computed are tallying with your P9. In case the details are not similar, then it's advisable to use the Excel option to avoid having errors in your return. Click on Section M, that is labeled Details of Pay Deduction at Source from Salary. Once again, you will confirm if the details captured are tallying with your P9. In case you have a mortgage, click on Section J, that is Computation of Mortgage Interest. You will require a mortgage certificate from your lender, which will indicate details of the amount of interest paid for the period 1st January 2023 to 31st December 2023. Enter KRA PIN number of the lender, and the name of the lender will pre-populate. Enter the mortgage account number, amount borrowed, amount outstanding at year end, and amount of interest paid. Click on Add, then capture the total amount of interest paid for the period January to June 2023. In case you were channeling any amount to NHIF or had an insurance that's relating to life, health, or education, capture the details accordingly. Click on Section L, Computation of Insurance Relief, and capture the KRA PIN of the insurance company, name of insurance company. In my case, I'll select NHIF as it is applicable to most of us. Enter NHIF membership number, and by default, the policy holder is selected as self, and other fields will be grayed out. Then capture the annual premium paid. In case you have other insurance policies, you can compute the details as per your insurance certificate for the year 2023. Something to note is that any education policy must have a maturity of at least 10 years in order to qualify for insurance relief. Go to Section T, which is labeled Tax Computation Sector. Capture number 1.1 and number 1.1a, which are defined pension contribution and defined pension contribution for the period January to June 2023. Also, capture personal relief for the period 2023, which is 28,800. Then submit. You'll have successfully filed your returns.